Jersey number 0, replaced by jersey number 8, Luena. Valenzuela pass to Luena. Seeing on the play against Lugo. Pass to Santiago, jersey number 77, 12 on the shot out to Valenzuela for 3. It's good for 3. Goes in the glass for jersey number 19. Score 23-22. Isa na lang malaman para kay Santa Cruz, jersey number 8, Nicodemus. Pass to Rama, back to Nicodemus to Lugo, jersey number 13, 14 on the shot out, jersey number 8, the crossover, moving it back, corner pass to Perez, then on the shot out, lays it up, it's good, fighting on the rebound, getting slowly, 12-second shot clock. Pass to Nicodemus, waiting for the screen, corner pass to Perez, wide open for 3. Fighting for the real, sa green na rebound para kay Mercado, pagkakataon na lumabang dito, para kay Tuktukan. There's number 8, Mr. Luena, 15 on the shot, crossover move against Lugo, 12-second shot clock. Spin pass to Mercado, spin move, takes it far, it's good. And there's a whistle. There's a number 13, uncheck foul, that is first foul, first team foul. Santushev.
Deadlock tayo, 23. All 23.
Score all 23. There's the number 13. Corner pass to Perez, 15 on the shot. There's the number 13 for the parking lot. And Moliana got it. There's the number 13. There's the number 8, Luena, against Lugo. 12 on the shot, there's the number 8, double crossover. Pass to Valenzuela, 8 on the shot clock. There's the number 8 for 3. There's the number 8, 26-23, nababala ng tatlo para kay Tuktukan. 15 on the shot, pass to there's the number 24, Rafa. Back to Nicodemus, 12 on the shot against Luena. Single pass to Lugo, makes it high for 3. It's so good. Fighting for the rebound, naman ni Santiago, pass to Valenzuela. Looking for Mr. Luena, jersey number 8. Corner pass to Alvarez, is no good. Fighting for the rebound, intercept, jersey number 0, Perez on the run, jersey number 0. There's the foul, jersey number, who's for that? Jersey number 8. Number 8, 28, Kapulpon, Nicodemus, back to Kapulpon, jersey number 28, penetrate, base and drive. He goes fast to Hama, for 3. Fighting for the rebound, all Nicodemus, jersey number 8, it's a line population turnover. Next up, let's see the winner. He goes fast on Pana, for 3. This time, fighting for the rebound, jersey number 10, pass to Ortiz. Jersey number 8. Jersey number 8, Luena. Pass to Palomares. Jersey number 27, against Venezuela, lays it up, it's good. Score 26-25. 1 point lead, pass para kay Tuktukan. There's a number 19, Valenzuela, corner pass to Palomares for 3. Airborne. There on is jersey number 19, wala pa rin. There's a number 28, pass to Perez, almost intercept. Jersey number 28, big man, lays it up, give it up, no good. Fighting for the rebound, long rebound, para jersey number. Intercept, jersey number 11, pass to Vera, jersey number 8, corner 3. with the jersey number, jersey number 8. Substitution, jersey number 8 at the second foul, second team foul. On the free throw for jersey number 10, Mr. Sampana. It's complete triple play. 5, a 4-point lead. Para sa Barangay Tugtugan, jersey number 28, Kapun Pond. Looking for the open man to Lulasan, has to take move. Cross pass to Kapun Pond, 10 on the shot, answer pass, intercept Sampana. Pass to Mr. Luwena, jersey number 8, 5 minutes and 30 seconds to play. High screen dito ang bibigyan jersey number 10. Pick and roll. Ay, sira. Huli ka. Pero ayos jersey number 6 sa for the putback. Score 31-25. Jersey number 0. Pass. Looking for the screen. Kick on pass. Yung kapag ball for 3. Ito yung jersey number 24. Wala pa rin. Pwede for the rebound. On jersey number 10. Sampana. Pass to Luwena on the run. Corner pass. Jersey number 16, put up jumper is the good. Ay, rebound dito para jersey number 28, behind the back ball. Pass to Spila, jersey number 10, corner pass to the left side, jersey number 2. Receiver on the shot block, intercept, jersey number 8, Luwena on the right field to pass break, alley pass. Walang pinasahan, turnover, substitution. Here's number 24, Habas, home on the shot line, elbow jumper, it's so good. Secure the rebound. Mr. Leon Shaw, passes Espana to Luwena. 4 minutes and 14 seconds to play. 12 on the shot clock. Looking for the screen, jersey number 8. Passes Espana, jersey number 10, hand up dito. Para De La Rosa, jersey number 17. Scoop the layup, it's good. 3 minutes and 57 seconds to play. Under 4 minutes to play. Para sa ating first half, second quarter. There's number 28, open one. To Hapa, here we go, play. There's number 2, lays it up, it's not good. Party for the rebound. Same ball. Timeout, Barangay Santa Cruz. Time remaining 3 minutes and 41 seconds to play. Para sa ating first half, the score 25-33. Barangay Santa Cruz, wala na kayo timeout sa ating first half. Barangay Tugtugan, meron po isa. 12-second shot, corner pass from Pond, has to get moving, a pass to Perez. 8-second shot, has to move, kick a pass to the last time for 3. And 1. There's a whistle, foul will be jersey number 10. Good winner para jersey number 10, Mr. Smith.
Pina kayo? Dapat si Mark. Tara na. Malapit tayo sa pinitira yun eh. Hanggang sa kayo tatag.
Sa kalsada. Gusto ko yung sticker ka.
Sumabay ka na.
There's number 8, Luwena, high school dito ang bibigyan ni Mr. Leosio. Easy pass, nice it up. For shot is still good. There's number 2, Mendoza. Pass to Perez, corner pass to Kapun, has been moved over the shot. There's number 0, penetrate. They stop is still good. Around same ball. 3 minutes to play. There's number 2, Mendoza has an 8, corner pass. To Kapun, 8 on the shot to Hapa, elbow jumper. There's number 8, Luwena. Looking for the screen. Corner pass to De La Rosa. Baseline drive. Nice pass. Good for the number 20. Pass to Hapa, 12 on the shot clock, corner pass to Lasas, jersey number 2. 8 on the shot, jersey number 28. Out of bounds, same ball, the shoot. Jersey number 2, Perez, takes and fire. It's not good. Jersey number 7, on the flip back. Jersey number 15, he's going to go. Pass to the Lasas, jersey number 17. Intercept from behind, pass to the speed, jersey number 10. Or that was this year. 5:28, a 7-point in jersey number 8. Against the wall, post up the goal. 15 on the shot, intercept, jersey number 24, up high, lays it up all the way. Time out for the guy, number 2 line. Time remaining, 1 minute and 44 seconds.
Hindi pa na kayo kasali. Wag na. Ganda yung team nyo eh. Solid eh.
Looking for the screen, 14 on the shot. Jersey number 10. For 3, in and out. Jersey number 13, Lugo. In on the play. Against De La Rosa. Jersey number 13, kick the pass. Back corner pass. Flamenco. For 3, is the good. Taking the rebound on jersey number 10. Pass to jersey number 8. Easy pass to Rosa. It's a direct violation. Exactly 1 minute to play.
Yan pinakagusto ko dyan eh ngayon. Sa lineup
Number
eh.
0, Perez. Hand up dito para ganis na naman. Jersey number 24. Pass to Perez. Long 3. Yes, na lang. Kaya for the rebound on jersey number 16. Pass to Lugo for 3. Score 35, 32, kalaman na lang, kalaman. Ang barangay tungtungan, jersey number 8, Ruena, 15 on the shot clock. Ayos bilang bibigay ng Mr. Sampal, jersey number 8, Ruena. Pass to Ligaso for 3. Yes, fighting for the rebound. Long rebound para jersey number 16. Out of bounds, same ball.
Galing naman eh.
Jersey number 8, Ruena, quarter pass to De La Rosa, quarter 3. Yes, good. Fighting for the rebound on jersey number 24, and there's a reason.